So here we are at 4 Newington Walk, located in Bolton. This property is approximately a 50-minute walk from Bolton town centre and all the local amenities surrounding. Nice quiet neighbourhood. Front of the property we've got gated access here to a low maintenance artificial grass garden and a path leading to the front door. Let's go in, take a look and see which we have on offer. Stepping foot into the entrance hallway, we have some storage cupboard here. As you can see, we've got the kitchen diner just in front of us, but we will turn around and go into the lounge. Good sized lounge, got laminate effect flooring here and a double glazed window overlooking the garden to the rear. From here we have an inner hallway, and as you can see we've got stairs leading to the first floor, which we'll look at shortly. More storage area here, and there's also a downstairs cloakroom WC. Stepping foot into the kitchen diner, we see it does need modernisation. It's a good size. We've got dual aspect windows, so double glazed window to the rear and also to the front. Range of fitted wall and base units with space for various different appliances. And this room is accessed through two doors, so there we are back into the entrance hallway. But if we walk back round into the inner hallway, we have the stairs to the first floor. So here we are on the first floor landing. Double glazed window there, letting in some natural light. Again, we've got storage here, here, and here, so plenty of storage in this property. We'll have a look at bedroom 1 first of all. This one's got the double glazed window overlooking the rear of the property. We've got laminate effect flooring, of course a radiator and some more storage there. Bedroom 3, as it's right next door. It's a decent sized bedroom, double glazed window to the front, laminate flooring, Worcester wall mounted boiler, and straight across the way we'll go into bedroom 2, which again has the laminate flooring, fitted wardrobes, again could do with some modernisation, and some more storage here as well. And this one again has got views over the garden at the rear. Okay, finally inside we have the bathroom, which is a 3-piece suite. So we've got the WC pedestal sink, the panel bath, we've got the mixer tap there, and the shower above the bath, and of course a double glazed window. Right, let's go and have a look at the rear garden. So we step outside into the rear garden. As you can see, we've got a low maintenance flagged area here and a lawned area here. There is a gate to the rear. What I have noticed, this property doesn't have it, but I have noticed next door they have opened up the back to enable parking, which I presume you should be able to do here, subject to all the necessary permissions. Good sized property, plenty of garden. This property is on the market with no onward chain, and for any further information please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.